This one here that I'm going to share with you, this bit of advice that was given that blew me away. I can't even believe it was a thing, but it was. This was brought to my attention by one of our students that went through our 1-2-3 pod fast track training. And they said, this is such a breath of fresh air to see someone wanting to build a brand versus doing what this person was telling them. All right, you probably want to know, what was that? Basically saying they want them, their students, to go and basically find popular memes that are on social media, that are doing well, that are getting liked and favorited and shared and all that stuff. And they tell them to take those sayings and create shirts and mugs and anything else that they can sell using those meme sayings. Now, it goes a little bit even further than this. They said basically to go out there and build or use a tool that I think someone else built, which is probably teaching this because that's how they'll benefit from this. Basically go and scrape social media to take memes that are popular and then give access to all of those memes to these people. So then they can just go ahead and launch products. And they're talking about launching hundreds, if not thousands of these per month. Man, I'll tell you what, like talk about, it's kind of shady, right? It's like to go out there and number one, scrape stuff, number one, right? And then number two, you're launching this stuff and it's just, again, spaghetti at the wall. What sticks? The other downside of this is when you're doing this, you are also going to be potentially at risk because some of these memes are probably trademarked or they have trademarking in them. And then what's going to happen is you're going to do this and you're going to get flagged and then you're going to get suspended and then you're going to get banned. We don't want to go down that road. So once again, if something seems too good to be true, or if something seems like someone's trying to teach you how to game the system, you need to put your little common sense hat on there and go, wait a minute. Would Etsy be okay with this? That's the question you got to ask yourself. Would Etsy be okay with me scraping memes that are popular, taking those and putting them on a shirt and selling it on their platform? Would they be okay with that? Probably not. Because number one, Etsy started, if you remember why Etsy even became a platform, for handmade stuff. They don't want this to be littered with a bunch of crap. And that's what's being said as far as what to do. Basically go out there and slap up a whole bunch of products, thousands of products, and seeing if you can start to get some sales. We do not want to do that. All right. We do not want to do that. That's some advice that I do not want you to take. And this is the advice I would say I beg you not to take because this here is so bad, so bad. And to me, it's really just, it's a shame that some people are going to want to do that. And there are going to be people that are going to do this, by the way. Even if they watch this video, they will probably still want to do it. You want to know why? Because a lot of people are just trying to make money. And I get it. We all want to make money. But don't you want to make money with something that can be repeated, something that is building value, something that is giving people happiness or solving a problem? Don't you want to be that? I mean, it just feels better. You're building a brand that serves a niche and you're helping them, whether it's to make them smile, to have a great day, to give someone a gift, or maybe to solve a problem. Wouldn't it be better than just to try to go out there and make a quick buck, slapping up stuff? It's kind of shady and I don't like it. And to me, it's super bad advice and I would avoid it.